In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this countdown timer in After Effects. So let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Once you're in After Effects, come up to your text tool and then type 0 on your timeline. Then go over to Effects and Presets and type in Slider Control and drag that onto your text layer. Hit the drop down menu in your text layer, drop down to Effects, Slider Controls, and drop down Text, Source Text. I'll click the source text and then paste this expression into the text box. That will then allow you to control the number value using the slider. So if you want to control it with the slider, start at the beginning, set your value to 100, hit the stopwatch button to select the keyframe, go forward as much as you'd like, and then set the value to 0. Then that's how you create a simple countdown timer, but we want a little bit more than that. So what I would do as well, come up here to your shape layer, make sure the ellipse tool is selected, and make sure your text layer is not selected so it draws a shape on its own. Then shift click and draw a circle around your text layer. Remove the fill by alt clicking, then position your number in the middle of your circle. Now let's go to your shape layer, go to add, trim paths, go to your trim path effect in your shape layer and start a keyframe at the beginning and make sure that value is set at 100. Then go to when your countdown timer ends, then set that value to 0. Then I would parent the text layer to the shape layer, and then I would scale the shape layer up to as much as you'd like, center it on your timeline, and then that's how you create this simple countdown timer in After Effects. And that's how you create this countdown timer. Make sure to check out the link in my description for some assets you can use in your next video. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for another video.